Trending sour and spicy octopus recipe in China. Baby octopus tentacles. Salt.
Oh no!
Gently give it a Thai massage. Black vinegar. Well mix it. Blanch for 1 minute. Rinse with water from Mississippi River. Scallion. Cilantro. Soy sauce. Black vinegar. Sugar.
Horseradish.
Sesame oil. Mix well with both hands. Done and dusted. Out of this world. How to make a dragon fruit flower. Remove both ends. Cut open and peel. Thinly slice. Line it up. Gently roll it up. Give it a Thai massage. Assemble with your single hand. Plate it like a flower. Sprinkle sugar. Done and dust. Split bok choy. Separate shiitake mushroom. Salt.
Edible oil.
Blanch bok choy for 30 seconds. Plate like a sunflower. Blanch shiitake for 2 minutes. Fry garlic and red chili. Mix well with the shiitake mushroom.
Oriental mystery sauce.
Thicken broth on high heat. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Split banana.
Edible oil.
Sugar.
Oh no!
Air fry for 6 minutes. Egg yolk. Sprinkle white sesame seeds. Air fry for another 5 minutes.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending chili chicken stir fry recipe in China. Debone and dice chicken legs. Cooking wine. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Salt. Ground pepper. Cornstarch. Gently give it a Thai massage. Fry the big 3 till aroma comes out. Add marinated chicken. Stir fry till color changes. Light soy sauce. Green and red chili pepper. Stir fry on high heat till all is softened. Done and dusted. Out of this world. A healthy liver from a slim pig. Scallion and ginger.
Chinese liquor.
Gently give it a Thai massage. A whole pack of salt.
Oh no! Oriental mystery spice.
Stir fry on low heat till aroma comes out. Take out half of salt. Layer pork livers. Cover with remnant salt. Sprinkle Chinese liquor. Cook on low heat for half an hour. Dig out pork livers. Shake off salt. Thinly slice with left hand. It goes well with Chinese secret dipping sauce. Done and dusted. Out of this world. An overweight papaya. Scoop out seeds. Whole milk. Sugar. Heat it up.
Gelatin sheet.
Cook till melted. Pour it into papaya. Cover lid. Refrigerate for 4 hours. Peel and split into equal pieces with your right hand. Dish up. Done and dusted. Out of this. Thinly sliced beef with your left hand. The big 3. Cooking wine. Salt and evil chicken bouillon. Ground pepper. Oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Egg. Cornstarch. Gently give it a Thai massage.
Stick a toothpick.
Heat oil to 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry on low heat till browned.
The big 3.
Chili flake. Stir fry till aroma comes out. Beef.
Rang Kyoming.
White sesame seeds. Well mix it on high heat. Green onion. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending sweet and sour fried egg recipe in China. Crack eggs with single hand. Make multiple over hard eggs. A bunch of Chinese secret condiments. Water from Mississippi River. Stir it well. Garlic and green onion. Fry to get aroma. Add fried eggs. Oriental mystery sauce. Well mix it. Chopped green onion. Sprinkle white sesame seeds. Thicken broth on high heat. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Leftover tangerine peel. Cut into equal shreds with your left hand. Blanch multiple times in boiling water to remove bitterness. Rinse with water from Mississippi River. Gently squeeze the water out. Transfer to a salad bowl.
Garlic roots. Oh no!
Minced ginger and garlic. Red chili pepper.
Fermented black bean.
Boiling oil. Salt.
Evil chicken bouillon.
Sugar. Oyster sauce. Light soy sauce. Stir well. Evenly pour it over tangerine peel. Well mix it with your right hand. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending mystery vegetable fried rice recipe in China.
What?
3 beaten eggs.
Hard scrambled.
Sprinkle chopped green onion. Stir well.
Chinese mystery pickled vegetables.
Good choice.
Leftover rice. Well mix it with both hands. Light soy sauce. Ground pepper.
Cilantro.
Hiya!
Brutally toss with your single hand. Dish up.
Puyo.
Done and dusted. Out of this world. Lettuce. Egg. Cucumber. Tomato. Chicken. Lettuce. Wrap in cling film. Split in half. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending cured meat recipe in China. Slim pork belly. Sterilized with Chinese liquor.
Mystery spice.
Light soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Rock sugar. Boil for 2 minutes. Add Chinese liquor after cooling down. Evenly pour it over pork belly. Transfer to a container. Fill it up with marinade. Cover lid. Refrigerate for 3 days. Hang it up with meat hooks. Spray Chinese liquor. Have a 5-day sunbathing.
Oh no!
Steam for 1 hour. Thinly sliced with your left hand. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Trending sweet potato tart recipe in China. Cooked sweet potato, sugar, mash, glutinous rice flour, knead dough, shape into a bowl, bake for 10 minutes.
Leave it alone.
4 eggs, sugar, whole milk, violently beat it. Pour it into the bowl. Bake for another 10 minutes. Split with your left hand. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Catch edible mud snails in Mississippi River.
Oh no!
Give it a bath. Sprinkle salt. Let it sit for 1 hour. Rinse and drain. Make it drunk with Chinese liquor.
Leave it alone.
Slice ginger and garlic with your left hand. Separate cilantro in half. Put a whole bunch of Chinese mystery ingredients together. Stir well with your right hand. Filter mud snails. Mix it well with
Oriental mystery sauce.
store in a glass jar. Refrigerate for 1 day. Done and dusted. Out of this world. Whole eggs, sugar, whole milk. Violently beat it. Filter egg mixture. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.
Sugar! Oh no!
Bake for another 10 minutes. Done and dusted. Out of this world.